So, who am I in front of you? My name is Rebecca Atkinson. People call me Bex, and I am the General Counsel at Howard Kennedy LLP. We are a London law firm based in London Bridge, and I am the firm's COLP, MLRO, MLCO, and Data Protection Officer as well. And if you have any questions as a result of this webinar that you're listening to today, you'll see my email address on the screen there. Please feel free to email me any questions that you have. I will try to get back to you as quickly as I can, but please do bear in mind that I am a full-time GC at Howard Kennedy. So, for example, you might decide to understand the climate change related strategy, goals and transition plans of the firm or clients to the same extent that you understand their commercial and financial position. So when you are onboarding a client or you're selecting whether to act for a client, you might decide that you will only act for clients that have the same goals that you do as your firm. This is according to the guidance. I'm not sure how realistically commercially that is, but this is what the guidance says. The other thing you might want to do is understand the client-related risks and opportunity that typically present themselves in your practice area and the matters that you advise upon. So you could decide to have a particular person in the firm go and visit certain teams and speak to them about in what ways could greenhouse gas emissions or scope 4 emissions come up in their line of work. Further, in terms of whether to advise or not and deciding that, some firms may decide to limit who they'll act for on the basis of their own climate change commitments. But reasons must always be provided to a client. You can provide we're not able to assist you on this occasion, but it's going to be better to say why. And as we said before, advised emissions, which is scope 4, emissions, we're calling that loosely because it's not part of the greenhouse gas protocol, but scope 4 emissions, advised emissions, are attracting increasing attention. So there may be scrutiny on that, but also scrutiny when advising clients on greenwashing statements or assisting clients in making those statements.